right, so what are we doing today? So today what we're going to do is we're going to try a little experiment. One of the biggest issues with these bottles, with these clear bottles, is the fact that they crack, that they break if they drop. So what we're going to try to do today is we're going to actually try to reinforce it with some Plasti-Dip. I don't know if you've ever heard of Plasti-Dip before, but this is it. And Plasti-Dip is used basically for tools and whatnot to kind of add protection, slip resistance, all that kind of stuff to the base of it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to, oh, my gloves won't get on. Ripped it, but this will be fine. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to actually Plasti-Dip the bottom, like maybe 2,500 milliliters of this bottle down. So if this bottle were to fall, it'll hit that and take the brunt of it, right? It won't damage the bottle itself. Now ignore this wire. This wire, I'm using that to kind of hold it into position. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to show you this process and see if we can get this thing going. I'm going to open up the window because supposedly this Plasti-Dip stuff stinks a little bit. Put some gloves on, roll up my sleeves. All right, so one of the first things I did is I got like a little container so that I can place this and dip it into the Plasti-Dip, right? So that there's no issue there. And what are the instructions? So the instructions for Plasti-Dip: insert the item 1 inch every 5 seconds, withdraw at the same rate, allow 30 minutes minimum between coats. I'm definitely going to do multiple coats, probably 3 or 4. So it's going to take a little time, and then 4 hours minimum to dry. So it's that simple. And supposedly it comes in different colors: yellow, red, blue. I picked blue. Right, so it matches the color of the MJJC S version 3. I also brought some alcohol wipes, or actually alcohol, 91%, so I can clean this bottle, clean this, or the container and the bottle, so it has something good to adhere to. So let's do that. Let's take a little bit of the alcohol. Clean off the bottom. Oops. All right, so I'm just going to clean the bottom up with plenty of alcohol. It'll all evaporate. And I also brought masking tape because I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to mask the top portion of it so I have a straight line. I don't think it's that important for this experiment. Just want to get an idea if whether or not this will work. So, all right, so that's clean. And this is clean. I did this one already. So we're good with that. I'm going to shake this up a little bit. I don't know if it needs to be shaken. It doesn't say. I think it needs to be stirred, but I don't have anything to stir it with. So if I shake it a little bit, it should be fine. All right, let's open it up. Woo. So that's the color, and that's the consistency. You know, it drips a little bit, not a lot. I have a little tinfoil container here for like just the garbage and stuff. It smells like paint. I'm gonna pour most of it in here. Cover up the top. All right, let's go to town. Let's start dipping this in. Let's go slow. I'm going to go to 300 milliliters and raise it. All right, what did it say again? Every 5 seconds, insert 1 inch every 5 seconds. So it's basically an inch of the bottle. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in again. Count to 5. Lift it up. And it's definitely adding material to the base of it. Now I kind of like the way it looks. I mean, it's dripping a little bit. So we might have to kind of hold this up a little bit, and that's why I have this hanger, because I was kind of maybe going to hang it off of a ceiling grid. Wow, this stuff, it does stink. It smells like a really strong paint or epoxy. Allow 30 minutes between coats. So I think what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to hang this up. See if I can kind of make the bottom a little bit more flat and let that dry a little bit. It's already starting to dry. Well, on the sides it's already starting to dry. On the bottom it's kind of like a little messy, but when I put the additional coats it should fill in those gaps. So as I'm blowing on it, you can see a skin start to develop on this. I mean, it's actually pretty decent. And I went up to 200 milliliters. I didn't go up to 300 milliliters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cure for a moment. I'm going to wait a half hour. What time is it now? It is 12:45. It's my lunch hour. And we're going to wait until 1:15, and we're going to just dunk this one more time. So hopefully this doesn't cure or skin up. That's going to be a problem if it does. But yeah, it's not dripping anymore. It skins up pretty quickly, so I think that makes this process a little bit easier. But you can see what I'm talking about, right? If this hits the ground, this is going to take the brunt of the hit, right? It's not going to crack the bottle because it's going to absorb the energy from the fall. So, I mean, it's not bad. I'm almost tempted to just dunk it one more time because it looks pretty decent, and maybe try to get it up a little bit higher to the 2,500 milliliter mark, but not that I think it's necessary. All right, you know what? No, I'm going to wait till 1:15 and I'll put another coat after that. So stay tuned. And I just want to show this. I did put some masking tape on it to show you what I'm talking about, to see if I can make this line a little bit easier and just bring it up to that line and then rip this off. I put a little tab on here so I can kind of rip it off as it's drying. It's really not stuck on there that hard. So, and it turns out I don't need the hanger because this kind of skinned over pretty quickly. So I'm just going to basically just hold on to it for a little bit and then wait till 1:15 and then go ahead and dunk it one more time. All right, so let's dip this one more time and let's see what we got here. I'm going to go right up to the line here.
A few moments later.
It's definitely adding on more material, no question about it. And I think I'm in a spot where this is decent. I could probably tear this off. And then on my hands. Fortunately enough, this stuff is easy to remove from your hands, unlike some other products. I took my gloves off because it was just irritating my hands. All right, so this is what we're looking at so far, and this is going to be as thick. And I'm going to try to like level this out a little bit so it's smoother on the bottom. I mean, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it does look okay. And if you hit this, if this drops on the ground, you're protected. It's going to take the brunt of the hit and absorb the energy. Now it's going to take 4 hours for this to dry, so you can see what this looks like in about a half hour, an hour, and then we'll go from there. But for now, we're pretty much done. And that's what it looks like. So not bad, right? I think this Plasti-Dip was like $19 or something like that. And obviously you could do 2 or 3 of these bottles that way. There's plenty of material left in this. Stays liquidy. We'll let it sit and dry. I'll monitor it. And it's getting heavy actually. don't want it to hit anything. It's skinned over enough, it might be okay. So I'll just check it out and kind of review it in a little bit. Stay tuned. All right, so the vessel or the bottle for the MJJC is cured. And this is what it looks like, just so you can see. I mean, it's not perfect, right? I mean, it's not factory done. I did it in my office. But you can see it did add some protection to it. So if this were to fall, if it were to hit, and I'm not going to throw it off a building or do anything crazy like that, but it should protect it, and it should give you a little bit more of a sense of security that, it won't crack. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So with a little bit of Plasti-Dip, and I had plenty left, you could do another bottle. So for $8 a bottle, you can add a little bit of protection. So will this resolve the issue? No, not at all. It might be worth buying like another one of these, from MJJC for 20 bucks. And if it does break, you can swap it out. If you're looking to make some slight improvements, here we are. All right, this is something I tried to do with some Plasti-Dip. Got some from Amazon. I'll put the link down below, and you guys can try it if you wish to do it. But I wanted to give it a shot. So it gives me a little bit more of a comfort level that if I drop this, it won't break. MJJC, they're Pro version 3. They're working on the new bottle, so they recognize and understand that there's an issue, but let's go from there. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.